Welcome students. Today in this video we are going to discussing about the precautions the time of monsoon. Okay. So this monsoon is a very interesting and we are also enjoying this season. Not only you and me and everyone like our farmers, everyone enjoying this monsoon times. So we always want to enjoy this monsoon time. But before that, you are in children, we need some precautions. So today this topic I am going to talk about that precautions about monsoon time. So almost we are in that monsoon time. So what are the precautions you want to take before this monsoon time? So I will tell you some tips. You just have to follow the rules and regulations. Then we will save and we are going to enjoy this monsoon time. First of all, I am also like for playing outside when it's raining time. No, I also like to play on the outside in where is have water, rain waters. So I will play, I will enjoy that, but you also enjoy, but we need to take some precautions, safety tips. So I will tell you some important tips that you just follow. We also can enjoy more than more. Okay. So first steps is a very important and very simple tips. Wash your hands regularly. Means if you are going outside, if you are playing with your friends, your friends, yes, your friends and brothers, sisters, if you play outside, your hand may be dirty, so it may be some infected germs on your hand. So you have to wash. When you enter your home, you just wash your hands continuously 2-3 times. So once you apply soap or whatever that wash liquid, you just apply in your hand and completely 2 minutes you have to rub on your hand. Then only it will all the germs will wash, or else it will remain in your hand. So if you are not washing in your hand, the germs will enter your body. So it will create maybe fever or headache or stomach pain. So this kind of problem will come because of these germs. Okay. Then second step, eat vitamin C rich fruits. So you know already very well the vitamin C fruits. So in this kind of monsoon time, you can take the vitamin C fruits because it will increase your immunity level. Okay, so it will helps to you to avoid the disease from this kind of monsoon time. So please eat more vitamin C fruits and don't take the juice. Okay. Now we will discuss the third step, the third precaution steps. Avoid juices. Okay, this monsoon time, don't take juice because the juice when they are making, they will add ice cube. So the ice cube, it is not good for in this monsoon time. So if you want to eat fruits, eat directly, but don't take as a juice. It's a maybe effect, maybe it comes cold or fever, so it maybe leads to some other illness. Okay. Then fourth step, drink boiled water. It's very important. There's a monsoon time. You have to boil your water and keep some time. Then you can drink when it becomes cooling. Okay, so before drinking boiling water, keep some time. When it will becomes cooling, then you can drink. So you always drink clean water and boiled water. Okay. Okay. Now let me discuss the fifth step of precautions. Avoid green leafy vegetables. Okay. So in this time, everywhere we can get the green leaves. Example: spinach, fenugreek. So this kind of green leaf vegetables avoid to eat in this time, because monsoon time we can the water accumulated everywhere in every area. So these places we can get this kind of green leaf vegetables. So it's not a good for in this time. So avoid to take green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, like palak. Okay, na? So this kind of vegetables to avoid in this time, monsoon time. Then sixth step: try and avoid raw food like salad. So don't eat the vegetables raw directly, without cooking, without boil. Don't eat some other vegetables are there. Don't eat raw vegetables. So you have to cook and eat. It's best for you in this time of monsoon time. Okay. The next precaution: avoid roadside food, because they would not use good water, the good oil, maybe the good vegetables. In this time of this monsoon time, if we take that roadside food, it may be affect you. So please avoid the roadside food. Sometimes it may not digest you properly, so it leads to illness. Then eighth precautions: dry yourself after getting wet. So suppose if you are wet outside the rainy time, if you are walking the water area, where there water area, or you may be wet, you suddenly dry yourself thoroughly. Okay, so it may be if you are not dry yourself, it will leads to fever or cold. Okay. Then last but not least, only wear dry shoes and socks. So if you are going outside, maybe the water everywhere, the rain water is there. If your feet on that water, the shoe socks will be maybe wet. So you have to keep your socks and shoe always dry and clean. Okay, so be safe in this monsoon time and happy, and we are enjoying to our monsoon times. Happy to all to enjoy the monsoon times. Okay.